Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today we are planning the first week of June. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? May's gone. May is done. So we are planning the week of June 1st through the 7th in my Erin Condren hourly life planner. Today I'm going to be using a Planner Kate kit again because I just love Planner Kate. We are going to use Mini Kit 228C. And I just got it. I just got like the tiniest of babiest of Planner Kate hauls this week, so I didn't film it because there's only a few sheets, and I actually, every time I order, I get sheets for my friend as well. My friend and I kind of split the order, so we either don't have to pay shipping or can split shipping. And so she got quite a few things as well, and I didn't get as many things. But this is one of the things I got because I love it. I love the daisies. I love the colors. It's so bright and colorful. And so I thought I'll use a nice fun summary kit this week, since last week I used, if I can get there. Last week I used this kit, which is a very much a wintry kit. It was a pretty busy week, but it looks pretty good. I didn't end up filming yesterday. I'm filming today. I almost feel like I need to just change it and put that I'm filming on Sundays instead of Saturdays. I did film my med clearance video though, my story time about my med clearance appointment for surrogacy, so look out for that. I'm going to probably post that on Wednesday. So yeah, let's get right into this week. So okay, here we go. We are going to do the layout. I'll do that real quick, and then we will head into the week and start talking about what's going to happen this week. So be right back. Okay, we're mostly laid out. My goodness. So Julie's plans this week, or last week, for her last week's plan with me, she posted like a plan with me in 5 minutes kind of thing. And I was like, oh, how cool. And she did it, and she did a great job. But the whole time I'm like, there's no way I could do a 5-minute plan with me. Not because I can't plan fast, because if I'm planning a week, I can plan fast, no big deal. It's the fact that she was talking and planning at the same time. Like, y'all, I can't do that. I can't talk and do my outline at the same time. Like, it just can't happen. I just can't do it. So I'm like, I commend her, but I cannot do that. And so I'm glad I didn't get tagged in that. Because, I don't know. I mean, I'd try it if I got tagged in it, but like, there's no way. You guys would watch that video and be like, my God, she sounds like a crazy person. She can't get anything done. And it's like, yeah, you're right. I can't. I've got some leftover check boxes from last week. Let's use these. Look at what's left of last week's kit. My gosh, I just cleaned this sucker out. Not this part, though. All right, let's do this. And I don't have very many to-dos this week, so we're not going to kid ourselves and do this whole sheet like I did last week, because I don't have that many to-dos anymore, because we're not really leaving the house as much. We are leaving the house a little bit, but I mean, I don't have a ton of things going on. I just don't have a bunch of stuff happening. So we got 4. So I'll put those in there. We got to renew the registration on both cars. Then I need to call my chiropractor this week, since I did my med clearance and things are starting to move forward. I'd like to start seeing her again so I can start getting myself back in alignment before we start doing IVF. Okay, back to what we were doing. Okay, there we go. Got my outline all done. Oh, goodness. Okay, so Monday I actually have an eye exam. I'm so excited for it. I know that sounds so silly, but I'm so excited to get my eyes checked, because pretty much after each pregnancy, my eyes tend to be just a smidge bit different. And I haven't had my eyes checked in like quite a few years. And I've had 2 pregnancies since the last time I had my eyes checked. So I'm excited to get that done and to also get contacts. I'm going to try contacts for the first time because I don't know. I want to be able to wear my makeup and not feel like people have to look past my glasses to see my makeup. I know it's so vain, but I'm strong enough to admit that, yeah, it's totally a vanity thing that I want to get contacts. And, honestly, I don't care. I can do whatever I want because I am a grown-up. But yeah, so I'm so excited to get contacts. And honestly, when I was filming my med clearance video yesterday, the amount of moving around I had to do to try and get it so that there wasn't glare on my glasses was ridiculous. Let's be honest. It was ridiculous. It was almost as ridiculous as the amount of times I had to go back in the bathroom to fix my makeup because I looked way too pale on the video. Like, I was like, oh, yeah, I look like I'm sick because I don't have any color to my cheeks or anything. So I had to keep going back and putting more blush on. And I was like, I need to get like a warm light going in here because this is a bit crazy. Okay, so we are uploading. Plan with me here. Oh my gosh. Do you see how crooked that is? Oh my gosh. I try, but it's super hard to get these to where they're not crooked. Okay, so yes, we're doing plan with me this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't lay this sticker down. What is happening to my life? Yeah, close enough. Okay, so we're doing the plan with me here, and then we are going to do my med clearance video here. I've got it all filmed, and I mean, I pretty much even have it mostly edited too. I'm just, gonna do some final touches on it, and then I just don't want to film or release like multiple videos in one day, because I want to be able to space it out for you guys and give myself time to come up with more filming ideas to have.
Okay, let's go potty.
Did you guys hear that? Still potty training. So my husband's out there, or I'm filming this in the kitchen. My husband's in the family room playing a video game. Yeah, so we're still potty training, and that is not as horrible as it was last week. I'm pretty sure when I filmed my video last week that I was like, why? Why would we potty train kids? Why am I doing this? Why is this my life? I hate everything. A lot of complaining, I think, last week in my video about potty training. Yeah, it's fine. It's legit, complaining about doing that stuff, that's hard. But it's gotten much better. Between Monday and Tuesday, it was like night and day. She was actually asking to go to the bathroom, and she was actually doing it when she would ask to go to the bathroom. Like, she was actually going potty instead of just asking to go and then, sitting there not doing anything. So yeah, that's been nice. It's been getting better. Thank goodness. Okay, we've got swim. We've got swimming class at 9:30 on Tuesday. Yeah, Monday's pretty slow. Yeah, we have swimming at 9:30, and so swimming class is a half hour away, and I like to be there just a little bit early to give us time to kind of settle in. Oh, I'm not going to write anything down. I'm not writing anything down yet. So yeah, I'd like to get there a little early to give us time to like settle down, but it means that we need to leave at like 8:45 in the morning. So I got to make sure the kids have eaten and everything is good to go before then. And I don't know, it just feels hard to get out the door that quickly. Okay, so I still haven't decided what we're going to do about this. I emailed them. The water park by us called Hawaiian Falls is having their if you bought a season pass, you can go to the park and get it verified, get your actual card season pass. So I'm trying to decide if I want to go. James works that day. So I'm not writing anything. Gosh, this is hard. Okay. So I'm trying to decide if I want to go and actually get that taken care of. The thing with doing that is that James probably won't be able to go. So that means that I need to see if we can do that without him there, and we can just get his season pass verified when we all go as a family for the first time. But I would like to get the kids in mind taken care of so that we don't have to worry about that anymore. Let's see what else is going on Thursday. So Scotty has Taekwondo on Thursday. He's got Taekwondo at 5 at the Taekwondo school again. Oh, that's straight enough. I keep forgetting to put my Taekwondo stickers on. Still using Franny Lamb stickers for my Taekwondo stickers, and I still love them. I think it's just because I'm lazy, and it's like, my gosh, it's hard writing out Taekwondo every day. And so what I would do is I would abbreviate it to TKD. And I don't know, I don't like how that looks in my planner. Come on. These are great, but like the K, the top of the K keeps getting stuck on these. And it's super frustrating to try and get them off, and then I end up ripping them sometimes. So like I super like them, but they sometimes are just not cut well. And honestly, it's probably just because it's such like small writing. Okay, so that one didn't break, so we're good there. Okay, so on Friday, my daughter has a private swimming lesson. So I take her to Aqua Tots. And with the pandemic, what they did, I mean, obviously they had to close. And so what they did is for each week they were closed, I think was the rule. Each week that they were closed and you kept your membership with them, you got a free private lesson. And I was like, oh, sweet. And I didn't actually think it applied to me because I had prepaid for 3 months worth of swimming lessons because I didn't want to do it year round. I didn't want to do it through the summer, even though now we're doing it through the summer because I didn't use those swimming classes. And so now I need to use them, and it's going to be through the summer. But yeah, I like emailed them and asked, and they were like, oh yeah, you totally get the free private swimming lessons. I was like, oh, sweet, score. So she has a private swimming lesson that day. And we're going to see how it goes. Okay, we're going to do a grocery pickup on Saturday because we are going to a barbecue on Sunday. So I'm actually going to move this. So we're going to edit in the evening. All right, so we're going to pick up groceries here. And then we've still got the family Zoom call with the church on Sunday. Oh, and we also have a family Zoom meeting on Saturday too. So the ones on Sunday include the kids, and then the ones on Saturday are just us grown-ups with our alcohol. Because we need it. We need the liquor. So we all meet up on Zoom on Saturday night, every other Saturday night, to kind of just talk, catch up, complain about our kids, you know, what you do. And then on Sundays is when we actually meet, like the children's ministers meet with us on there. And, you know, we bring the kids on and we just kind of talk about our weeks, and, you know, everything is PG. So family Zoom meeting then, and then we are going over to my friend Stephanie's house on Sunday. We've been seeing her periodically, mainly because she is the only family we see, and we are the only families she sees. So we, you know, are taking that risk because it's just us. So we're going over to her house because we live in the Dallas area. In Dallas, you are not allowed to have roosters. And so when she bought her chickens, she bought just like 10 chicks. She just bought 10 chicks. And turns out 5 of them are boys. And so we are having a chicken barbecue on Sunday. We're gonna take care of the problem. You know, that stuff. Okay. Forgot about Taekwondo. My gosh, I am a hot mess. You guys, I'm not allowed to go anywhere. Okay, so we're gonna film here. Grocery pickup is gonna be here. And then Taekwondo at 10 at his school. So, yeah, we're having a chicken cookout on Sunday. It's so weird to talk about. Like, I'm like, yeah, but you know, like, we eat chicken every week. This is how you get chicken. Chicken doesn't just, come like that. You have to kill them. So, Okay, that's all I'm going to talk about that, because for some reason I'm feeling super awkward talking about the fact that we're going to go kill these chickens. Okay, so this is pretty much my week that I've got going on. It's not too busy, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So I am going to go through and write everything out, and then I will be right back and we will kind of do some decorative stickers, and then we'll be all done. Okay, I've got everything written down, so now I'm just going to go through and decorate it and make it pretty. I did add in something in here. Well, one, I messed up right in here, so that was a lot of fun. But yeah, so I added this. I'm going to spend some time with my planner and with my like YouTube planner that I am using to try and think of, you know, different video ideas that I'd like to do this week. I'd like to see kind of how this one is received, how the med clearance appointment one is received, and then kind of decide from there, like, okay, this is what I want to do. These are the videos I want to make, or, you know, maybe people don't really care about the surrogacy stuff, so maybe I don't need to plan any of those, or everyone's like, oh my gosh, I need to see more of all the surrogacy stuff, and then I'll be like, oh, okay, then I really need to start planning on that. Oh, I got to write in self-care on Friday night. I try and do my manicures on Friday nights just to make everything look nice. Gotta have pretty nails for my videos. Okay, I'm going to use some of these Taekwondo stickers to put with the Taekwondo stuff. This is by Polished Patterns. She does not have a site on Etsy anymore. I believe she has a site, like a regular website, but I'm not sure if she is actually using it or not. But yeah, I have quite a few stickers by her. She was actually the first store I ever bought stickers from back in like 2018 when I bought my first Erin Condren planner. I bought stickers from her, more like functional type doctor's appointments. I bought them to keep track of my surrogacy pregnancy. Like, I used a lot of different IVF stickers and stuff from her, and that's what I used those for. And so, yeah, I really liked those stickers, but then, you know, her site, she took her Etsy shop away, and, well, not stopped using them, but I stopped ordering from her, and then that was when I discovered Planner Kate, and now it's like, Planner Kate is amazing. I mean, look how cute this little sticker is. Look how cute those are. I just love it. She's so happy to get her groceries. Okay, so here is my week. It's not too busy this week, but it's busy enough. I still have things I need to take care of this week. I've got goals I have. 2 goals, but let's not, you know, it's still something. But yeah, I'm really excited for this week. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what videos you want me to make. I'm excited to post my med clearance video. It's definitely a good sit-down video, face-to-face. It's a long video of me talking, you know. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.